Hello everyone, so I just want to share with you all another cooking series or another recipe. So this time we're going to make a chicken stew with waisan and Chinese leek or garlic sprout ba yung tawag dyan, kung ano ba yung tawag. So you just marinate first your chicken and then put oil on the pan, stir fry garlic and ginger and the bottom part of the leek para maging more fragrant siya. And then you stir fry your chicken until have a like a golden brown, parang na pan fry siya or parang hindi naman totally siya half cook, parang may makikita kayong parang light brown or golden brown on it. So ayun, pwede nyo na siyang i-add ang inyong waisan after nun. So kapag add nyo ng waisan, you can add your water and after that you can add some soya sauce. So hindi ko na ipakita dito na nilagyan ko siya ng soya sauce and then cover it, and then after that after you cover it guys, and then let the sauce will be thickened, and then you can add some of your Chinese leek. So yung Chinese leek is parang garlic sprout na din siya, at make sure na yung waisan nyo ay luto na. So ayun lang guys, napaka easy itong recipe na to. So thank you for watching guys. Please don't forget to like, comment and share if nagustuhan nyo itong video. God bless you and take care always. Please respect each other and be kind always. See you again for the next recipe video guys.